In this video, I will teach you how to join the official TikTok Shop campaigns so you can get massive boosts in traffic without spending a cent on ads. You've seen those big 11/11 or payday sale banners on the shop tab, right? TikTok puts those products in front of millions of shoppers, and your shop can be part of that too. So, a lot of new sellers think these big events are only for huge brands, but the campaign center is open to almost everyone. I'm going to show you exactly where to find the marketing center and how to browse available events that fit your niche. We'll cover how to register your best items, how to handle the price requirements TikTok asks for, and how to make sure your products get that special campaign badge that builds instant trust with buyers. If you want to see a spike in your daily sales, joining these platform wide events is the fastest way to do it. So, to do that, what we can do is you first need to head over to your TikTok Shop Seller Center. To do that, head over to seller.tiktok.com and it will redirect you to its URL in your region. Now you just need to log in using your TikTok account or using email, username, as well as social sign-in options like Google, Line, Apple, and the likes. Once you have logged in, you should be able to see right here your home page. What we need to go on is the Marketing Center. Head over and click on this marketing that you can find on your left sidebar. Once you have clicked on it, it will expand a new menu for other marketing options that you want. On this case, let's choose campaigns. Once you have chosen campaigns, it may take some time to load its campaign tools, so just wait for this. Once you have clicked on your campaigns, you should be able to see this option to register for campaigns available. So you can see the campaigns that are open for registration right now. The official sale is from January 1 until December 31 of 2030. You can see these options for Mega. We also have in here this Summer Ready Payday Sale as well as Summer Tastic Payday Sale and 5.5 sale. So you can choose right here which one you want to actually register or you can register them all. So this offers all the campaigns available for you. So for this case, just choose the one that you wish to use. We also have a lot. If you try to scroll down a little bit more, you can see that if you're ineligible, you can see it right here on this case. However, if you're eligible, you can see that you can register right here. Now, onto our case right there. Let's head over and choose one campaign. For example, on this case, let's choose right here this Summertastic Payday and 5.5. Having here two sub-campaigns that as you have noticed. The registration ends in 24 days. You have plenty of time, but you can also try to register for ones that is registering or ending in smaller days. For this case, let's head over and click onto this register all since I will be registering for those two sub-campaigns. You can see right here the campaigns that you want. We have the 428 Summertastic, shop deals, and get vouchers for half the cost. Now you can first click on this view details to see the details for this particular campaign. So this campaign is for registered product that will receive for more visibility and exposure. You can show kinds of banner resource posts, MDP vouchers. Product criteria is the campaign price should be lower than seller discounted price. It should be equal or lower than the ordered price, only include seller's promotion within the last 30 days. So it might reduce the cost of what you're selling, but it will give more reach or it will give spotlight to your shop. So it's actually a good trade-off. You can see in here the additional information. You can opt in and opt out anytime. No approval needed. The promo price will only reflect on official campaign period. So once it's ended, it will be back on the official price. Now you can also check the terms and conditions. So you can actually read all the terms that you want, and once you're done, you can head over and click on OK. So let me not See that? Click onto this next. Now you have the option to register all your products or select manually with CSV uploads. On this case, let me head over and just register all my products, and you can see right here this pricing strategy. You have the option to put the optimal price yourself. Like optimal price is either the highest price of the campaign price threshold or based on other platform criteria. You can add a discount to the optimal price to make it more attractive. You can also put optimal price and add discount and will be applied to registered and approved products. You can add a discount to the optimal price to make it more attractive. So as you can see, it might be the same, but here's an example. So this bag is around $1,000. The recommended campaign price is 500 to 900, and it might be marked for 900 because it's on the higher threshold. Now for this other option, we have in here this, which is the same product. Recommended campaign price is 500 to 900. You can add additional discount. It still shows the higher threshold, which is 900, but it will add a discount to make it more enticing. On this case, let's choose right here the second one. You can enter here the additional discount that you want to input. So for this case, let's head over and then input 15% discount. From there, you can head over and click on this register option. Then review the campaign strategy. As you can see, we have chosen two product campaigns. We can register our products. You can put the optimal price and add discount. And for the discount, we have chosen 15%. So products will be reviewed with your platform before going live in campaign. You can edit or withdraw your products. So you can prevent selling products at very low price. Platform will not register any SKU if the suggested campaign price is more than 20% lower than your original price. So head over and click on OK. Before you agree, make sure to read the terms and conditions. So once you have clicked on OK, as you can see the registration has been submitted, you can view your registered products right here and manage it according to your liking. When you click on the manage option, you can actually edit it out according to your wants. You can register the products. You can see the campaign strategy, the details, criteria, and the likes for that. You should be able to see all your campaigns right here on the Manage Your Campaigns option once your campaign has been approved by TikTok. You should be able to receive a message from them if your campaign has been approved, and you will be put in a spotlight on the promised date of that particular campaign. So that's all there is today. And if you have any questions about TikTok campaigns or just TikTok shop in general, make sure to input that in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching.